Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this claw clip hairstyle on my thick short 4C hair. So let's get into the tutorial.
What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah.
I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair, doing a middle part, and then I'm going to section the two sides that I want to slick down. So just open from the middle all the way to the ear, and then I'm going to twist the hair down to keep it out of the way, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to section it from the middle all the way to the ear, and then I'm going to section the back area where I'm going to do the claw clip. So just section right here, and then at the back I'm going to section from this side all the way to the other side, and the hair that is remaining in the middle I'm going to tie a band right there. So just braid the hair that is at the back to take it out of the way, and then I'm going to comb this hair right here, and I'll be using wool to tie my band. So just tie once like that, and then I'm going to be pulling the side. So just pull the side to tie the band. That way you will have like a bigger band, rather than when you use a scrunch it will be smaller because my hair is short, and when you do it like this you have a bigger band. So just tie, like pull both sides, and then tie the remaining hair, the remaining wool, and then cut off the excess. So now I'm done with the band. I'm going to start with the first section right here at the front. I'm going to be using Isoplast gel to slick down my hair. So I'm going to be doing a little section by section. So separate the first section, then apply your Isoplast gel. Then I'm going to separate the baby hairs, and then I'm going to comb my hair. After combing the hair, I'm going to use an edge brush to slick down my hair. So I'm going to repeat the same process on this side and also on the other side. So just section your hair, apply your Isoplast gel, then comb the hair, and then use your edge brush to slick down the hair until you are done with this side. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Guys, this hairstyle is so simple and easy to do. Like in 20 minutes you're done, guys. Like it's so easy. So do try it out, guys. Do try this hairstyle. And as you can see, my hair is not long, it's short, and I was able to achieve this. So do try this hairstyle. So after applying the gel right here at the middle, I'm just going to use my tail comb to make sure that the middle part is really straight. So just comb your hairs and use your edge brush to make sure that your hair is slick, and then I'm going to make sure to put the hair behind my ear, and we'll work on the other side. Guys, as you can see, this is really easy to do. It's simple. So just comb your hair like that and apply more gel if necessary, then put your hair behind your ear, and then that's it, guys. That's how I slick down right here at my hair right here at the front. And then I'm going to be using some bobby pins to make sure that my hair is secure right there behind the ear. Just use your bobby pins right there. I'm going to be using 2, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So just section your hair, apply your Isoplast gel, and then section out the baby hairs, and then comb your hair and use your edge brush to slick down your hair. And the reason why I'm working in section, guys, is because my hair is natural, and if you don't work in section your hair won't slick down like that. So if you have like type 4 hair like mine, the thick hair, make sure you work in section. No matter how long or short your hair is, make sure you work in section so that the product will be distributed to all the hair and it will lay flat. So section by section, applying your gel, combing your hair, then slicking it down, then go to the second section. Make sure you apply the gel both behind the hair and then on top of it, so that it will really slick down. So make sure you do it section by section, guys. Don't just apply all at once, it won't lay down like this, guys. So make sure you do it section by section until you finish, and your hair will lay down really well. It will lay flat, guys. So after doing this section, I'm going to be using bobby pins again to pin down the section right there, and then I'm going to use the product that is remaining on the brush to brush the bun right there. And then I'm going to use a rubber band to tie both bangs at the front, to tie them at the back. And then I'm going to be using the Isoplast gel again right here at the back. And then I'm going to comb my hair, and I'm going to twist the hair so that I can put the claw clip. So just twist it right like that, and then take your claw clip and then just place it. So right here it was a little bit low, but I did move it to be a little bit up, so you can just place your claw clip to your liking, but I did move it a little bit up. You see that later on. So for the baby ears, I'm going to start off by applying Isoplast gel, and then I'm going to be using glamour spray on top of that, because Isoplast gel doesn't hold my edges. So this is the glamour spray. Just tap 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 on your hair, and it doesn't leave any white residues, guys. So just tap, and then I'm going to be using my elastic band. I'm going to tie it right there, and then I'm going to tie a silk scarf right there for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, just take it off, and guys, you'll be done with your hairstyle, guys. So simple and easy to do. This is the final result, guys. Do let me know if you're going to be trying it out. Do let me know what you think about this simple hairstyle. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and like, share, comment. And if you're already subscribed, but thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you in advance if you're going to share this one. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.